Women are the true backbone of a progressive society. And ultimately, any state will progress only when the woman in the household is socially and economically empowered. However, the potential of women remains largely untapped. During his pre-election Praja Sankalpa Yatra, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, promised to launch an exclusive welfare scheme for women.
వైఎస్ఆర్ చేయూత అన్న పథకం అమలు చేస్తాం. 45 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి 60 సంవత్సరాలు మధ్యలో ఉన్న ప్రతి అక్కకు నేరుగా గ్రామ వాలంటీర్ మీ ఇంటికే వస్తాడు. వచ్చి ఆ అక్క చేతుల్లో 75,000 రూపాయలు పెడతాడు. అక్క చేతుల్లో 4 విడతలుగా ఇస్తామని చెప్పి హామీ ఇస్తా ఉన్నాను మీ అందరికీ.
First of its kind, YSR Cheyuta scheme adopts a dual approach of financial assistance with market linkages and technical support, enabling women-led livelihood enterprises across agriculture, animal husbandry, retail, business, textile, handloom and other farm and non-farm sectors.
12 ఆగస్టున వైఎస్ఆర్ చేయూత అని చెప్పి ప్రతి ఎస్సీ, ఎస్టీ, బీసీ, మైనారిటీ అక్కకు తోడుగా ఉండే కార్యక్రమం. 45 ఏళ్ల నుంచి 60 ఏళ్ల వయసులో ఉన్న ప్రతి అక్కకు కూడా 18,750 రూపాయలు ఏదైతే మేనిఫెస్టోలో మనం చెప్పామో 75,000 రూపాయలు ఈ 4 ఏళ్లలో ఇస్తామని చెప్పి ఏదైతే చెప్పామో దానికోసం ప్రతి అక్కకు కూడా ఇచ్చే కార్యక్రమానికి శ్రీకారం చుడతా ఉన్నాం.
To this end, the government of AP will work with big corporate houses for creating a conducive business environment with end-to-end solutions comprising capital support, market linkages, skill enhancement and technical support, thereby empowering women and ensuring sustainable income. The government of AP will enter into a memorandum of understanding with leading FMCG players, Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL, ITC and PNG Home Products Private Limited. Amul, India's leading brand for dairy products, has already joined hands with the government of AP in this journey. The state government's partnership with Amul will facilitate formation of village farmers organization core terminus, set up milk collection centers with AMCS and BMC facilities, supply feed and fodder to milch animals through Raitu Bharosa Kendras, offer proper and prompt payment to dairy farmers, establish dairy infrastructure like processing plants, AMCS, BMC in AP. Overall, these alliances will encourage women entrepreneurs, provide economic support to nearly 25 lakh families in the state, empower beneficiaries with technical and marketing support, provide incentive to retail store owners to procure products at a lesser price, boost revenue of the state and achieve sustainable economic development. Hindustan Unilever Limited, with a turnover of rupees 38,000 crore, Hindustan Unilever is the 4th largest company in India with 35 products in 20 categories, 700 million Indian consumers. Under the YSR Cheyuta scheme, the partnership with HUL ensures entrepreneurship development through Shakti program that empowers women to be financially independent, benefit 2 lakh retail store owners through the strong network of redistribution stockists. With an annual consumer spends of 19,700 crores covering 25 mother brands, the Indian business conglomerate ITC has a strong presence across agriculture, manufacturing and other services. The company has its footprint across 140 million Indian households. As a company that focuses on creation of sustainable livelihoods, this partnership with Government of AP will boost the morale of women, provide technical support, enhance their livelihood opportunities within retail and agri-business network. Procter & Gamble Home Products Private Limited or PNG is a multinational consumer goods company engaged in the manufacture, marketing and sales of various FMCG products touching the lives of millions of consumers in India. PNG's partnership with Government of AP will develop capability among women entrepreneurs, provide economic opportunities through corporate programs, enable access to quality PNG brands, These partnerships, under the strong leadership of Honorable CM Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and the sincere efforts of AP government, will lead women on the path to progress. This novel initiative will be overseen by a command control center, which will be set up to work persistently towards nurturing the partnerships and streamlining tasks oriented towards promptly accomplishing the designated partnership goals as desired by the Honorable CM. YSR Cheyuta scheme stands high and aims to support women to be economically independent while propelling the state towards achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals of productive employment and economic growth, while tackling poverty and inequality. With women secure, the economy is sure to prosper and the state of Andhra Pradesh will be enriched with great values, stability and happiness.